What is Denton, Texas, sidewalk, curb, and gutter bond? A sidewalk, curb, and gutter bond in Denton, Texas, is a type of surety bond required by the city from contractors who plan to build, repair, or modify sidewalks, curbs, and gutters. This bond ensures that the contractors adhere to city codes and ordinances and complete their work in compliance with local standards. The city requires this bond to cover potential damages, unfinished work, or subpar construction that could pose risks to public safety or incur extra costs for the city. If a contractor fails to fulfill their obligations, the city can file a claim against the bond to cover any costs required to fix or complete the work. Why is this bond important? From the city's perspective, the bond provides a crucial layer of financial security. The City of Denton enforces the bond to guarantee that public projects are completed to the required standards without financial risks. Here's why this bond is critical. Assurance of quality work. Contractors are held accountable to the city's specifications. This bond ensures that the city doesn't have to worry about subpar construction or repairs. Protects public safety. Defective sidewalks, curbs, or gutters can be hazardous. The bond's requirements make sure that all work aligns with safety regulations. Financial security for the city. Should a contractor fail to meet standards or complete the project, the bond covers the costs, preventing additional expenses for the city. How does it work? When a contractor purchases this bond, they're essentially making a promise to follow city codes and complete their work to city standards. If the contractor fails to meet these requirements or leaves the job incomplete, the city can make a claim on the bond. If the claim is valid, the surety pays the city up to the bond amount. Key requirements for the bond. If you're a contractor in Denton, planning to work on sidewalks, curbs, or gutters, it's essential to understand the city's bond requirements. Typically, you'll need to provide proof of experience and licenses. The city will likely require documentation of experience and necessary permits to ensure you are qualified to perform the work. Financial stability is also important. Surety companies may assess your financial stability before issuing a bond to mitigate risks. Lastly, adherence to city regulations is crucial. Your work must comply with Denton's construction standards and codes for sidewalks, curbs, and gutters. To know more, please visit Swift Bonds.